Sugar, yes please, won't you come and put it down on me? Everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Chantel, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and thanks for tuning into another video. So in this video today, I'll be doing a sultry winged out smoky eye, something like that. Anyways, I'll figure it out by the time I write the title. So if you want to see how I got this look done, make sure you continue watching and don't forget, click subscribe. So to start off this smoked out liner look, I already have bronzer in my crease, so I'm just going to add a little bit of transition color here, and I'm using this palette, which is a 350. So just going to apply a little bit of this. See that I already have the bronzer from when I did contour my nose, that is. So I'm just blending this out, and I already did my foundation off camera, and I used the Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation, and I already have a video on it, so make sure you click the link up top right here to check out that video. So in the video, I just gave you guys my first impression on it, and my final thoughts of the foundation is that it's really full coverage and it's long lasting. However, long lasting enough for me in terms that I work for 5 hours just to test it out. And let me tell you that the foundation, it cover everything. I never have no problem with my acne scarring showing, because I didn't even bother to color correct when I applied it, because I wanted to see how well that foundation would look. Anyways, I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Yeah, so moving along now. The only problem that I have with the foundation is that I got warm coconut, which is 356, and I realized that was just to have an orangish yellowish look. So only that is just my problem with it. The shade isn't right. So I have to go back now and get another shade. But what I did today is I just went overboard with the bronzer, so the bronzer could warm it up a bit. So I'm going to take this old palette that I have from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You can use any palette that you have on hand. So I'm taking the shade Sherbet, and I'm just going to apply that onto my lids. And as I said, guys, you can use any color on the lid you want, but I'm just sticking to something really neutral. Chocolate shadow, and this one here is called Hot Chocolate. So let me just use this one, and I'm just going to put that at the outer corners and a little bit in here. Nothing too dramatic. So after I finish blend that, I'm just going to clean up back the shadow with this brush here and the same transition color, just to mute it out a bit. And I made too much of the brown get into the inner corners, so I'm just going to use the same transition color and try to correct that little problem there. Fun part, I'm going to line my eyes using the Inglot liner, and this is a matte eyeliner. This is a matte eyeliner gel, yeah, a matte gel liner in the shade 77. So let me find my angled brush. So now let's speed up this process. I'm going to line my eyes, and then I'll show you how to get the smoked out look. Line my lash line, and then now I am going to do the wing. So I'm doing all of this before I do the lashes. Seemed like I had too much product on the liner, so okay. Now to do the wing, I'm not doing anything too big. So we're going to do it just a small wing. Yeah, hopefully it's small, right? A small wing like that, and then let's move on to the other side, and now we're going to do the second wing. Yeah, keeping it small, seeing that it's going to be smoked out. So now after you do your wing, you're going to take a precision brush like this, a pencil brush, and then you're going to blend the liner inward. So after you finish smoking out your liner, you're just gonna take a blending brush and just to blend everything together, make it look a bit okay and not too patchy. So I'm just blending this out, and then after that I'm just going to apply my lashes. So now I'm going to apply my mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and this is the Maybelline Big Shot in black. So now that's done, I'm going to highlight my inner corners, and I'm going to use the same palette, and I'm going to take the shade Treasure right here. I think this is it. Yeah, Treasure. It has a bit of metallic look, and I like that kind of vibe. So just going to highlight using that shade. Okay, lash line, I'm going to take a brown liner, the same one that I use on my lips. The same brown shadow that we used before, I'm going to apply that under my lash line. No, under my lower lashes. And this is how it looks close up. So this is more of a sultry, sexy look if you don't want to do too much, and the eyes, if you don't want the eyes to be too smoky, so you can have a little tips of smoke at the outer corners. They don't have to be too dramatic. Even if you are scared of wearing a smoky eye, this is the perfect bit of smoky eye for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and how everything turned out. And yes, don't forget to check out my videos that I will be linking up top, and don't forget to click on these two videos over here, one up top and down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers by my birthday in October. So thank you for watching. Make sure you comment anything that you want down below, like this video, and please share it with your friends and help my channel to grow, guys. I really need my channel to grow. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this look, and anything else that you have in mind, feel free to let me know, and check out the description box down below as well. Everything I use will be listed down there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.